How to fix Instagram repost option not showing or missing. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, make sure that the post is repost eligible for the post that you are trying to repost, as Instagram only allows reposting for certain posts. You can repost posts such as public post or post from accounts that allow repost or regular feed post. Make sure that you cannot repost private account post or stories or reels with repost disabled or older post with restricted sharing. Now, go ahead and open App Store on your device and tap on the search bar there and search for Instagram, and make sure the Instagram application is updated to its latest version for the app to perform smoothly, along with running all the features that the app has to perform smoothly. Even one version behind can hide the feature that you are looking forward to, so make sure the app is updated. Next, go ahead and switch to a public account if you are using a private account, as private accounts often don't get the repost feature. So tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. In the settings and activity page, tap on the account privacy option you see there and go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for private account. Once you have enabled public account, you can then go ahead and try to disable and then re-enable professional account as a quick refresh for the feature. So in settings again, tap on the creator tools and option you see there, and you will see the option for switch account type. Tap on that and then go ahead and tap on the switch to personal account option you see there. Now go ahead and quit the Instagram application and then restart the application, and then go ahead and switch back to your creator or your business account, and your issue should have been fixed by now. If not, then in settings again, scroll down to the bottom and tap on the log out option. Log yourself out and then close Instagram fully and then log back in, as this will fix feature sync issues. And if your issue was still not fixed, then go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and tap on general and then on iPhone storage. Here, navigate to Instagram and tap on it, and then go ahead and offload the app and reinstall the app again, as doing this will clear the cache in the application. And if your issue is still not fixed, then go ahead and try to reinstall Instagram as our last resort. So on your home screen, tap hold on the Instagram option and then tap on the remove app option and then tap on delete app. Once deleted, reinstall from your App Store or your Play Store and log in again and see if your issue is fixed or not. And if not, then it could be because the feature is not yet available in your region, so you might have to wait for the feature to be available in your region. So this was about how you can fix Instagram repost option not showing or missing. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.